Hi everyone and welcome to the new course section in which we are going to start Angular series. So the latest version of Angular is 13 and let me tell you Angular is supported by Google and developed by Google. If you scroll all the way down you can see super powered by Google. Let me zoom in a bit. So the one of the most famous and anticipated framework of JavaScript is Angular. Now, Angular has a huge community where you can meet new developers, existing developers, senior developers, and also the new joinees as a freshers in Angular. For being able to connect with those people, Stack Overflow is the perfect platform. And you can visit Stack Overflow by stackoverflow.com, where you can find each and every doubts, fixes, bugs, and new latest reports. For me, I personally use Stack Overflow if I need any support or any doubts to be cleared. Let's jump back to Angular. It says the modern web developers platform. Now, Angular uses modular approach. Let me clear what I need to say. Let me just open my notepad and increase the size. Yeah. So Angular uses modular approach. That means we can make modules and each module can have components, or I should say reusable components. So Angular में आप modules बना सकते हैं and वो module के अंदर आप different और small components भी design कर सकते हैं. Now ये components reusable हो सकते हैं because you can just call them anywhere in your project. तो इस तरीके से आपका एक Angular पैकेज बन जाता है जिसमें आपका modules भी होता है, आपका components भी होता है and also you have routing. तो Angular is always greater than React, is always greater than Vue. Node.js, and let me just quote it like this, because Angular uses both approach in which we have modules and components. React has components as compared to all three, and also Angular comes with many inbuilt library support is also there in Angular. Now Angular also have inbuilt support for HTTP request, and it also supports routing, which is built in. Like this, we have many components and many libraries in which Angular can be implemented. Now, Angular works on each and every platform. It can be a tablet, it can be a laptop or desktop, or a mobile. The speed and the performance of Angular is superb, and it loads instantly because Angular is a single page application, SPA. So Angular gives you the perfect tooling so that you can make popular and beautiful and faster web pages. Now Angular also supports unit testing, and unit testing can also be done in the similar fashion, but Angular heavily uses Typescript as its logical coding style. You cannot use JavaScript in Angular. You need to know TypeScript while using Angular. Now, I already have a TypeScript series. If you want to learn TypeScript, you can go and check out that series, and after learning then you can switch back to Angular. And TypeScript का मेरे पास एक complete series है where you can learn TypeScript and आपको TypeScript के सारे features वहाँ पे पता चल जाएंगे, एंड वो फीचर्स जैसे आपको पता चल जाएंगे आप इजीली एंगुलर पे स्विच करके टाइपस्क्रिप्ट को यूज कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज एंगुलर इज 90% टाइपस्क्रिप्ट. You need to know TypeScript in order to learn Angular. So, the scope of the series is not TypeScript. So, I will be continuing with Angular. And as I already told you, Angular is hugely supported by many developers, many companies across the globe. And here you can see help. Stack Overflow is the number one help in order to learn Angular. And also the content type of the license is MIT. That means it's open source project. Now you can switch to documents in order to get started with Angular. But let me tell you, Angular is made upon Node.js. That means each and every packages which you need in an Angular project, you need to have Node.js installed. Now once you install Node.js by hitting this button, this one, 18 point this one, you will get Node.js installed on your computer. And if you search Node.js, you will get the terminal like this. Now quickly go to CMD and write node-version, and you should get the latest version which you have installed on your computer. Now as I told you, Angular runs over very vast libraries. So all that libraries, and also you can install external libraries using npm, which is Node Package Manager. For example, if I want a package in Angular for, let's say, drop down, I will write drop down, I hit enter, and you see I get lots and lots of drop downs which are available in Angular. Now all these packages can be used inside Angular. Just you need to copy this command, install. Let me zoom in a bit. You need to copy this, install, and rest Angular will do it itself. That's really the power of Node.js. You just need to copy the command, hit enter, and you get your packages installed. Now, in order to get started with Angular, you just need to have knowledge of TypeScript, knowledge of Node.js, and basic knowledge of how we can manage modular approach. Now, in the entire series, I will teach you from start to end, from zero to completely advanced, where you will run from ground zero to up. What is a module? What is a component? What are the different features available in Angular? How we can make HTTP requests? What are REST APIs? And how you can write efficient code. So make sure to install Node.js. You have a good understanding of TypeScript, and then we can start with Angular. In the next lecture, we'll start creating the Angular app, and I will tell you the file structure in brief. Thanks a lot for listening to me, and I hope you liked the video. And आपका एक अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन आपको मिला होगा एंगुलर के बारे में कि एंगुलर पूरा है किस बारे में. आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो आप प्लीज इसको लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को, जिससे कि मुझे इस तरह से मोटिवेशन मिले और मैं आपके लिए और अच्छी वीडियोस लाऊं एज कंपेरिजन टू अदर कोर्सेज जहाँ पे आपको सारा कंटेंट बिल्कुल फ्री में मिलता है. थैंक यू एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.